Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. Yep, that's what you think it is. I got me one too. I know everybody else has got the T33. I got one too, and I've done the range test, done the control surface test, and so far I'm quite pleased. I was going to do an unboxing and build, but there are so many unboxing and build videos out on this plane that I figured, why should I do one too? And this is the Maiden. So I like to underhand these kind of little planes, so let's see how she does here. Well, hold on. I think she seemed like she was a little tail heavy. Let's move that. Luckily, the way she fell, be no damage here. Let me make sure there's no damage. Shouldn't be. Yeah, shouldn't be any damage. Let's move the battery forward a little bit. I thought I had the CG pretty good, but maybe I didn't. Running a roaring top 1800 3S in her, so should be more than enough battery for her. Well, let's see. CG is right about, yeah, she's a little bit nose heavy now, so she should be good for taking off. Well, let's see. Up, right, left. Huh. Well, maybe I have to do an overhand throw. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. That was weird.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Man, what a sweet flying little jet. Reminds me an awful lot of the Arrows Viper. There. I did a loop pretty good that time. Well, she glides so good. Boy, she does. Man, I feel very comfortable with her already. Of course, she is a bank and yank, so, and when you hear the term bank and yank, that means no rudder.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Let's get over another launch here. Take lander. All right. Now let's.
Acro mode. Self-level.
I have self-level.
AS3X.
I like the AS3X version, which is what I'm using now. All right, so let's try underhand launch like I'm used to. Yeah. Oh man, what a sweet flying little jet. Boy, it is. Sweet flying little jet. Boy, it glides so good. Man, that's got a 12 blade prop on it. So it's got a wonderful motor. Oh, it's got a wonderful sound. Gotta tell you, I'm very impressed. The thing flies great. It glides so good too. Hear me? There's nothing in the motor intake there. It doesn't look like there is. I got a little grass on the bottom. Man. Well, I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. Quite impressed. Flies really, really well. All right, folks. Well, there you go. That is the Arrows T33 Ace Maker 2. I gotta tell you, that's a nice little plane. What I'm running is, it has the stabilizer. It came with the Vector system. I'm running a AR420 antennaless receiver and a Roaring Top 35C discharge 3S. Set it up very similar the way that Flanker Tanker set up his. And I'm gonna tell you something, if you want to watch a really good build video, I mean, there's dozens of unboxings and build videos on this. And Flanker Tanker, one of my followers and just a heck of a great guy, he did a great unboxing and build video on this, and his is so good, there's no way I could improve upon it. So I'll put a link to his video in with a Maiden video of this, and I'm telling you, he does it better than I could ever. So watch his video on how to build it and watch my video on flying it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.